Hi children, today I will explain the remaining IUPAC nomenclature organic compounds names. First see this one given one. Actually in this compound there is no functional groups, there is no multiple bonds, but only carbons and hydrogens are present, only substitution is present. It is very clear, one substitution is present. And this is the long chain. In this long chain, how many carbon atoms are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is the substitution. This is the substitution. Right. Now give the numbering for this one. Now check from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. At fourth carbon, this substitution is attached. From this end, 1, 2, 3, 4. So both sides same. Now give the numbering from any side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the substitution. What is the substitution? The substitution is 1, 2. 2 carbons are present, means it is ethyl group. This organic compound also simply write like this. How many carbons in long chain? 7 carbons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And at fourth carbon, 2 carbons are present. These two are same. This one we can write like this. This is the substitution. This is the substitution. So 1, 2, 3, 4. At fourth position, 2 carbons are there. So methyl groups. So sir, why are you writing like this? Means the given organic compound contains only carbons and hydrogens. So there is no other functional groups. Means there is no oxygens, there is no nitrogens. We can write like this without hydrogens. That is not a problem. And it is also a very easiest method to write the IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, now give the name of this compound. At fourth position, methyl group is there. So 4 ethyl, substitution is completed. Next, number of carbons in long chain, how many carbons are there? 7 carbons. So hept, and only single bonds N, heptane. So 4 ethyl heptane. Now check the second, means these are all I already given to you. Sixth one, how can you write the name of this compound? In this compound, actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 carbons in long chain. And this one acts as a substitution. It is very clear. Now I will write the skeletal structure, means open structure for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In fourth position, for 1 carbon, 3 CH3 groups are attached. See, 3 CH3 groups means 1, 2, 3. Okay, simply actually if these 3 carbons are not present, these 2 carbons are not present, means this is the first one, means these two are same, this one and this one is same. Why? Because here 2 carbons are present. If these 2 carbons are replaced by, means these 2 carbons are replaced in this one, actually this one contains 2 hydrogens and 1 CH3. For this carbon, this side one bond with carbon, another side bond with carbon, means CH3. This side one hydrogen, this hydrogen. But these 2 hydrogens are replaced here with 2 methyl groups. That's why this is the substitution. In this compound also, this is the substitution. But the substitution, what type of substitution it is? It contains generally straight chain 2 carbons, means ethyl. But in that ethyl also contains 2 more substitutions. So what type of examples these are? Means substitutions also contain substitutions. For such type of organic compounds, how to give the IUPAC name? So initially first you have to identify the substitution. This is the substitution. Give the numbering from both sides same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So fourth position, 1 substitution is present. The substitution straight chain contains how many carbons? 2 carbons. Again give the numbering for this one. So for this carbon attached, this is the first carbon, so this is the 1, this is the 2. So for this carbon, two methyl groups are attached. Now how can you write the name of this compound? Listen carefully all of you. First write the substitution. Substitution at fourth place. So 4. Okay, but in that substitution also contains two methyl groups as a substituents. So generally we can write directly 4 ethyl, but in that ethyl first carbon contains, so write in bracket 1 comma 1. Why? Because first carbon in that substitution, first carbon contains two methyl groups, so the two methyl groups attached to the first carbon, that's why 1 comma 1 dimethyl. Okay, and what is the main chain here? These two carbons are the main chain, so ethyl, bracket close. Are you understand? At fourth position, actually ethyl is present, but for this ethyl, at first, for ethyl means two carbons. In the two carbons, first carbon contains two methyl groups. That's why this is 1 comma 1 dimethyl ethyl. Okay, substitution part is completed. Remaining part is very easy. Remaining part means after substitution you have to write the number of carbons. How many carbons are present in the long chain? 7 carbons are present. So 7 carbons means hept. And what type of bond? Only single bonds. So ane, heptane. Okay, Nana? Very easy. But in substitution contains substitutions, the type of models. Now come to the next one. This is 8th one in our given homework. Right, now check the given compound. Check the given compound, all of you. In this compound, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 carbons in a long chain. And it is very clear. This is one substitution. This is one substitution. This is one substitution. And also this is one substitution. This is ethyl. This is methyl. This is methyl. What about this one? Actually, to this carbon, 3 CH3 groups are attached. Now I will write the simple skeletal structure for this one. 1, 2. For third one here, C2H5 is present. And fourth one, CH3 is present. And here down, C. 2 CH3 means 1, 2, 3. This is 1 CH3. This is 1 CH3. This is 1 CH3. Okay. And remaining 1, 2. And again here, 1 CH3 is present. 1, 2, 3. Now check. These two are same structures. These two are same structures. Now how can you write the name? This is one substitution. This is one substitution. This is one substitution. This is also one substitution. But this substitution contains two more extra substitutions. Okay. Now give the numbering. From which side? 1, 2, 3. From this side, a third carbon ethyl group is attached. From this side, 1, 2, 3, fourth position attached. That fourth carbon with substitution is attached. So follow the lowest sum rule to give the numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. Now write the name. For this one, it is very clear. This is ethyl, methyl, methyl. This is also ethyl, ethyl only. Because in long chain contains only two carbons, ethyl. That ethyl contains two substitutions. So two ethyl groups, two methyl groups. In alphabetical order, E comes first, comparing with M. So write this one. So first, fourth position. Substitutions are there. Give the inside numbering 1, 2. So first carbon contains two methyl groups, 1 comma 1 dimethyl, long chain ethyl here. So inside chain completed. So 4 completed substitution. Now 3 ethyl. I'm sorry. Yeah. 4 1 comma 1 1 comma 1 dimethyl, and these two are ethyl, right? Next 3 ethyl, and remaining are at fourth position one methyl group, and seventh position one more methyl group. So 4 comma 7 dimethyl. So substitution part completed. Now how many carbons in the long chain? 10 carbons are present. So dec, only single bonds, ane, decane. This is the 8th one. Next one. Next compound. In this compound there is no functional groups, there is no multiple bonds, only single bonds, only carbon and hydrogens are present. So in this one it is very clear. What is the long chain? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. For this carbon 3 CH3 groups are attached. Okay, now I will write the simple skeletal structure of this one. 1 2 3, this one contain 1 CH3 group. Okay, right, and 4 5, the sixth one contains, see all of you, 1 2, see 1 2 3, these three are in chain, and first one contains 1 CH3 group. Okay na, are you understand, right? Next, 1 2, here 3 CH3 groups, 1 2 3. This is the skeletal structure of this compound. Now give the name of this compound. How many substitutions are present in this compound? This is one substitution. Sorry. This is one substitution. This is one substitution. Very clear. This is one substitution. This is another substitution. Okay, right. 1 2 3, these three are methyl groups, but in this one, what is the long chain? This is the long chain. How many carbons are there? 3 carbons, so propyl, but this is the extra substitution, inside substitution. So give the numbering for inside this one, 1 2 3. To the first carbon this is attached. Okay, right. Now this is methyl, this is propyl. These three are methyl, this is propyl. So MP. So in alphabetical order, M comes first. Now, and give the numbering for this one. From this side, 1 to at second position, substitutions are started. But from this side, 1 to third position, substitution is present. So give the numbering from this end. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Right. Now give the name. Substitutions, 2 methyl groups, 1 propyl. So methyl comes first. So into second position, 2 methyl groups, 7th position. So 2 comma 7 trimethyl. Okay, these 3 substitutions completed. For this one at 4th position, 4, but inside at first position 1 methyl group is present. And what is this one? Propyl. Substitution completed. So total 4 substitutions complete. 2 to 7, 3 methyl groups at 4th position on propyl with 1 methyl group. Okay, right. And so after substitution, number of carbons, 9 carbons are present. So remaining part, you know that nonane, because all are single bonds. Next compound, 10th compound. In this compound also it is very clear. Here CH3 twice, means for this carbon 2 methyl groups are attached. Here CH2, CH3 twice. First write the skeletal structure for this one. 1, for second carbon CH3 is present. For second carbon CH3 is present. Right? Third, fourth, fifth. So third, fourth, for fifth carbon, 1 carbon, second carbon, first carbon, second carbon. This one 2 methyl groups are there. This is 1 methyl group. This is 1 methyl group. 1 hydrogen is present. Means these three are in long chain for substitution. This is the inside substitution. Okay, leave it. Next one. After this one, 1 2 3. For here 2 methyl groups, CH3. One hydrogen is present. This hydrogen. This is this hydrogen. Okay, Nana? Right. Okay, skeletal structure. Now observe the skeletal structure, all of you. How can you write the name of the compound? This is one substitution. This is another substitution. This is one more substitution. Okay, from any side, any end, second position methyl group is present, second position methyl group. So both sides at second position substitution is present. So give numbering from any side. Of course, check this one also. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5, no problem. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10. For example, this substitution attached to this side for this carbon. Now give the numbering from this side, because both sides methyl groups are the same position. Now give the priority from this one, but this is also both sides same position. From both sides fifth position it is. That's why given numbering from any side, no problem. Okay, numbering completed. Now write the name. First substitution, these two are methyl groups. This is long chain contains propyl, and give the numbering 1 2 3. For the substitution contains the inside any substitution, give the numbering from attached carbon only. From this gives the any time for this carbon is the main carbon, so this main carbon attached this substitution, so give the numbering 1 2 3 like that only, right? This is methyl, this chain is propyl, MP, so methyl comes first. So 2 comma 8 dimethyl. Next, at fifth position, inside at second position, methyl group is present. Methyl. Okay, continuation here. Methyl propyl, right? 9 carbons means no name. Okay, this is close this one, no name, right? Completed. Next one, 11th one, very interesting this one. For C this carbon, two propyl groups are attached, and this one we know that very well, no problem. Now write the structure, this carbon, this is this carbon, next this carbon, for this one carbon, CH3 twice means 2 methyl groups, CH3 means one hydrogen is present. For 4 bonds are satisfied. Remaining this side 1 2 3. Now come to this side. Why 2 propyl groups means carbon. This is CH2 CH3. This is also CH2 CH3. Both sides same. This is the structure. Now how can you write the name of this compound? Okay, in this compound, this is the main chain, very clear, and this is one substitution, this is another substitution. Okay, and for this substitution 1 2 3 fourth position, for this side 1 2 3 fourth position, both sides fourth positions only, but this is propyl and this is ethyl, okay Nana, right? So for which side you have to prefer means, for this substitution one more substitution is present, so this is contains 1 2, give the numbering from this side, because substitution contains substitution, and this is there is no other substitutions inside. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? Now write the name of the compound. First fourth position 4, inside 1 methyl ethyl, main is ethyl, so ethyl completed. And fifth position propyl, total one octane, completed this one also. Next one, this is very big compound. For this compound, next compound, 13th compound, this is 13th compound, in our homework. This is 13th compound. What is the long chain in this compound? This is CH3. This is CH2 5 times. 5 times means CH2, CH2, CH, like 5 CH2 groups are attached like that. So 1 and 5, total 6. For 7th carbon, 1 substitution is attached. From this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th position. Here 5th position, from this side 7th position on substitution is present. So give the numbering from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and these are plus 5. Plus 5. So 12, last one, this is 13. Are you understand? So this is one substitution and this is another substitution. And for this substitution, this is the, and this one is the inside extra substitutions present. And give the numbering for the this substitution. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Nana? Right. Now write the name of this compound. This is ethyl. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentyl. So E comes first. So 5th position. So 5 ethyl. And 7th position. But 7th position, actually this is pentyl, but it contains 2 substitutions. One at methyl, at first position methyl and second position methyl. So 1, 2 dimethyl. 1, 2 dimethyl pentyl. Pentyl. Substitution part completed. Now total how many carbons? 13 carbons. So 13 carbons means tridecane. So dec means 10, tri means 13. Total 13 carbons. Remember all of you students, for 11 carbons undec, for 12 carbons dodec. I think previously I given wrong for these two, so correct one, correct these two. C13 means tridec. Okay, so completed the given homework. And next examples. Yes, similar type of examples in this one. In this structure, this is the long chain, this is the long chain, and once observe, for this carbon one substitution is there, for this carbon another substitution is present. But the problem is this one contains 1, 2, 3, 4 long chain, and this is the substitution. For this one, 1, 2, 3, 4 means for same substitution contains long chains are 4 carbons and 4 carbons. For here, first carbon contains substituent, here second carbon contains substituents. That's why number given from this side, because from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th position, from this side 5th position. So you know that it is very clear. This is the lowest sum rule. So from the 5th position, give the numbering. First one for this one, and 7th position this one is there. Then how can you write the name? So 5 in 5th position. What is this one? Propyl. But at first position one methyl group is there. So 5 1 methyl butyl. And 7th position 2 methyl butyl. Okay, total 12 carbons in the long chain. So dodecane. Okay, Nana. Next example. Now see this example. Here also long chain, 9 carbons are present. At 4th position, first one is attached. From this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th position. So give numbering from this side only. And how many carbons? 1, 2. So ethyl. Here also 1, 2 ethyl. Both substituent contains 2 carbons only. But substitution here at first carbon, here at second carbon. So first write 4. Inside substitution also contains one substitution is present. So 1 chloroethyl. And 5th position, it is also ethyl, but at second position chlorine group is there. So 2 chloroethyl. Total 9 carbons, so no name. Next example. Next example, see this one. Here only 2 carbons in this chain, and this is the phenyl group. This is the phenyl group. This is also phenyl group. Phenyl group means we know that C6H5. What is that one? C6H5. Simply we can written C6H5. This is the phenyl group. Okay, this is one phenyl group, this is one phenyl group. But that phenyl groups, this is the first carbon, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. At second position, one chlorine is there. Here at fourth position, one chlorine is there. So actually 2 carbons are there. So at first carbon contains one phenyl group, but that phenyl group contains, at second position, chlorine is there. So 2 chlorophenyl. And second carbon is also contains one phenyl group. So 2 phenyl. But that phenyl contains one chlorine group. So 4 chloro. Total how many carbons? 2 carbons. So eth and N. Okay. Actually, this structure, see all of you. C bond C. Actually CH3, CH3. This is ethane. But one hydrogen replaced by one phenyl group. And this side also one hydrogen is replaced by one phenyl group. Okay, Nana? And in that phenyl, here one chlorine is present, here one chlorine is present. Are you understand? So simply it is an ethane. But this ethane contains 2 substitutions. That is, first carbon contains one phenyl group, second carbon also contains one phenyl group. That's why this is 1, this is 2. Only long chain contains only 2 carbons. Okay, it is very easy. Next one, see this one. See this structure, same model, Nana, same model. Here also long chain actually contains 2 carbons only. This is 1 carbon, this is 1 carbon. But this carbon contains 3 chlorines. This carbon contains 1 hydrogen and 2 phenyl groups. But the phenyl groups also have substitutions. At 4th position 1 chlorine and 4th position 1 more chlorine. So how can you write? These 3 are chlorines, Nana. These 2 are phenyl groups, Nana. Okay, na? And priority order also we know that. Based on that priority order, what is that? Now listen carefully. So this is first carbon, this is second carbon. So first carbon contains 3 chlorines. So 1, 1, 1 trichloro. Okay. And second carbon contains two phenyl groups. But remember all of you, here not we used di. Why? Because more than one similar complex substance. Complex means big compounds. If big compounds are there, then you should have to use bis, tris. Okay, that type of words only. So this is the important, very very important. Okay, so at 4th 2, 2 bis inside. At 4th bis means both are same, Nana. Here both are same. And complex means big. So 4 chlorophenyl. Both are same, Nana. That's why 4 chlorophenyl ethane. Generally it has a common name. That common name is DDT. DDT means dichloro-diphenyl. 2 chlorines for 2 phenyl groups. So dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. This is one of the important compound. Next one. See this structure. Actually this one contains 2 carbons. For this carbon one substitution is there, and this side another substitution is there. So simply this is generally it is CH3COOH. So ethanoic acid actually. But here this carbon contains 2 substitutions. Okay, numbering from this side 1, 2. For second carbon contains OCH2CH2OH. OCH2CH2OH. Actually, if OH groups are not there, CH3CH2O, CH3CH2O. CH3CH2 means C2H5. This is also C2H5. C2H5 simply taken as R. Here also taken as R. So RO means actually OR indicates alkoxy, alkoxy. Remember this one, alkoxy. So simply it is taken as ethoxy, ethoxy. But the problem is in that ethoxy also contains one substitution. OH means hydroxy groups. Actually OH means alcohols. But here alcohol is taken as a substituent because already main functional group is present. That's why its prefix name or substituent name is hydroxy. Now write the name of this compound. Second position, two substitutions, so 2 comma 2. Bis, why are you writing bis only instead of di? Because this is a big compound, complex compound. So bis 2 hydroxy, both are same, nana, here both are same, that's why we are using bis 2 hydroxy ethoxy. Ethanoic acid means, or ethane 1 oic acid, both are same, ethane 1 oic acid, both are correct. Okay, so this is about some different types of organic compounds, IUPAC names.